呢個食物金字塔相信大家都好熟悉，不過隨住時代嘅變遷，呢個金字塔亦都有新嘅變化。美國政府喺星期三公布新版美國人飲食指南，以倒金字塔形式呈現，頂部面積最大嘅涵蓋蛋白質、乳製品、水果、蔬菜同健康脂肪，底部就係全穀類食物。新指南呼籲民眾增加攝取蛋白質同健康脂肪，減少進食精製碳水化合物，例如白麵包同餅乾等等，推翻多年以穀類為主嘅傳統飲食觀念。
Diets rich in vegetables and fruits reduce disease risk more effectively than many drugs. Whole grains outperform refined carbohydrates. Added sugars, especially sugar-sweetened beverages, drive metabolic disease, and today our government declares war on added sugar. Highly processed foods loaded with additives, added sugar, and excess salt damage health and should be avoided.
新指南亦都建議蛋白質每日嘅攝取量係舊版本嘅2倍，每日應該攝取3份全脂乳製品。至於脂肪來源方面，指南就建議應該優先選擇橄欖油同牛油。不過美國心臟協會就擔心攝取高鹽同高飽和脂肪可能會增加心血管疾病嘅風險。協會就建議消費者優先選擇植物蛋白海鮮同瘦肉。